In chapter 1A of Spanish 1, we talk about the verb gustar. Gustar is used to say what we like to do, but gustar does not mean to like. Gustar means to please. We use it when we talk about what we like, but it doesn't actually mean to like, and that's going to be important later in the year when we learn about how this verb is actually working. But for now, all you need to know is that if you want to ask somebody what they like, you're going to ask them, ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Hacer means to do. So this is, what do you like to do? It's going to be the most important question of this chapter. We'll practice it, we'll sing it. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? So when you answer it, you'd say, me gusta, and then whatever action it is that you enjoy. So we're going to say that this means I like, even though literally it means that it pleases me. So I like to sing. Me gusta cantar means I like to sing. Literally it means to sing pleases me. Remember it if you can. That's exactly what we're saying. Singing pleases me. But it comes across as I like to sing. Same deal. Maybe I really like to sing. Then I would say me gusta mucho cantar. Now it's that I really like it. If we put the mucho in the wrong place and we put it over here and say me gusta cantar mucho, then it means I like to sing a lot, like a lot of times. So it's a little bit different than I like to sing a lot, like that's what I really like, or I like to sing lots of times, a lot. And then there's, if you want to say what you like to sing more, or what you like to do more, you would say me gusta más. If someone asked you between two different things, I like to sing more. Okay? Or I prefer to sing, basically. That's what I like more. Okay? So you can just like it, you can like it a lot, you can like something more. If you don't like it, then you're going to add a no on the front of that and say, no me gusta escribir. Maybe you don't like to write. I don't like to write. And if you want to put emphasis on this one, like we did here by adding mucho and más, then you'd say, no me gusta nada escribir. That means that I don't like to write at all. And once again, we're putting that nada right after our me gusta, just like we did. Me gusta mucho, me gusta más, and no me gusta nada escribir. The last thing that we have is if we don't like two different things. No me gusta. In English, we just say, I don't like this or that. In Spanish, they have to use the word nor, the negative of or. And since we don't like two different things, we're going to say it twice. So, ni, the first thing that I don't like, ni escribir, ni leer. So, I don't like neither writing nor reading. Or neither to write nor to read. So this is kind of old school English for us. We don't speak like that, but in Spanish you do need to make sure that when you're listing a bunch of things that you don't like, you put ni in front of all those different things. And one easy way that I tell my students you can remember that is that what happens to a person if they don't have two knees. They fall over. Okay, two knees are essential for standing up. Two knees are essential when you don't like two different things in Spanish. And right out here at the end, we're going to add, if you agree with somebody, if they say that they don't like something or they do like something, and you want to just say, yeah, me too, or me neither, you could say, I do too. This is only talking about likes and dislikes. It's the only time that this will work is in the context of, oh, I like this, I do too. You just say, a mí también. And if you don't like it, or they don't like it and you don't either, you'd say, I don't either. Then you say, a mí tampoco. And that's how we say all the things that we like to do in Spanish.